There we go, ladies and gentlemen. That's my bubbler. Now what I want to show you is it's bubbling. There, you see it? The thing is, the carbon dioxide is building up in the 5-gallon container, pushing down on the fluid. Let's go back. There, it did it again. And so we can see the whole situation. Now, what we plan on doing is using the pressure of the carbon dioxide to pump water uphill, thereby making alcohol and displacing water to run it uphill for a great distance and a lot of it, and using that weight to make electricity. So again, using the same energy over and over again. That's what I've been trying to tell people for years, and a lot of people on Mad Science Radio and Knights of the Round Table have said. There is no such thing as energy that is not free. It's only the machine that you need to convert one form of energy into another. So here's what we're trying to do. Now, what I want to say is, I've been watching this one. This is another batch, okay? And lo and behold, for some reason it sat here for 2 days and never bubbled, not the first time. And I couldn't figure it out. And all of a sudden I pushed down on the top, was bowed, and I pushed down on it, and the pressure inside squirted the water up and out, and now there's just a tiny little bit of water left, and now all of a sudden it's bubbling, which tells me the carbon dioxide is building and building a pressure, but it's pushing upward on the lid, releasing the seal. Okay, so it was actually just a little bit too much pressure for the height of water that I had. I had about twice as much water in there as I have right now. And that pressure was holding back and causing it to lift the lid and lose the seal, and the actual carbon dioxide was coming out of the sides. Okay, so what it amounts to is we're going to have to redesign something to hold this lid down, which is not a big deal. We can do that. Not a big deal at all. This is going to be fantastic because it is working, and we're talking about donuts that are free, absolutely free, except for your gasoline and your time to go get them. It's part of the machine. You got to build a machine to convert one source of energy into another. Donuts are starch. Starch can be converted to sugar. Sugar can be converted to alcohol. In doing so, you have a byproduct of carbon dioxide. Now, think about this for just 1 minute. In order to pump water uphill, then you need pressure. And we all know that carbon dioxide produced by yeast converting sugar into alcohol can build great pressures, unbelievable pressures. They can pump water 50, 100 feet into the air. 100 feet, 50 gallons of water, 400 pounds, 400 times 100. How much is that, folks? 40,000 pounds. 40,000 foot-pounds of energy. And you're making alcohol at the same time. Now, here's a little bit of a trick, a secret. You now have carbon dioxide under pressure, and 40,000 foot-pounds of energy, and alcohol. Come on, folks. Think about this. This is going to be a very exciting project. Of course, I can't build a tower 100 feet high. I'm not a rich man, but I can build one 20 or 30 feet high. Yeah. We just got to seal this thing up to where it does its job. And if I can do it with 5-gallon buckets, ladies and gentlemen, I can do it with 55-gallon barrels. And we're talking 50 gallons of water, 20, 25 feet high. You do the math. That's a lot of energy. I love it. Have a great day, folks.